Hello, welcome to our video for this 2017 17 plate Volkswagen Transporter Kombi. It's the 150 horsepower 6-speed manual gearbox, short wheelbase version with our full R Edition styling kit on it and a very good factory specification. So as you can see, it's got twin sliding doors, got the driver's side sliding one there. It's got the gloss black pack at the front, including grills, badges and fog surrounds. The R Edition spoiler at the front also, and as you'll notice it has got front parking sensors as well, they're factory sensors. R badge detailing to the grille. Candy white paintwork in superb order. As you'll see, no real chips or marks to note there. Beautifully straight and dent free down the passenger side. This one's fitted with 20-inch brand new gloss black Velar alloy wheels with brand new tyres and 30mm genuine Volkswagen lowering springs. It's got the black side bars also. Gloss black detailing also covers the wing mirrors and their surrounds. Roof rails on top of the vehicle. It's got a Bespoke premium R Edition leather interior with the white contrast stitching and our logos. This has all just been put in, so it's totally brand new. And this is a full premium leather retrim, these aren't covers. So, factory options, we've got front and rear park sensors. It has got the standard air conditioning, cruise control as well. Discover Media satellite navigation system. It is the 6-speed gearbox with a 150 horsepower engine. So moving into the rear. 2+1 seating system in the rear. So the outside seat does lever up to allow access to the rear area. Now this one has had quite an expensive rear carpeting job carried out on it. So as you can see, the roof lining has been trimmed and has LED downlighters in it. And we have some additional high level speakers, 12-volt point and carpeting trim at the back. So moving around the vehicle, no marks or scratches to note down the side panel there. As this vehicle is 2 years old, I'm sure if we really sort of went over it microscopically there were the odd little chip or mark, but nothing that stands out at all just yet. See, it's got the rear parking sensors there and the tough plastic rear bumper protector. Full carpet lining to the sides in the rear. Again, totally dent free down the driver's side. Just step back and show you the side profile of this vehicle. Stands really well on those alloy wheels with a lowered suspension. Mileage today 19,416 miles. Recently had its first service. It still has Volkswagen warranty until 2020. So that's it, folks. There's 20+ photos on our website along with a full description. Finance and part exchange facilities are available. If you'd like any further details, please do give us a call.